Hi everyone, how are you? I hope all are doing good. Welcome back Murari Maths online classes. Today I would like to explain integration problems. Okay, now I explain question number 1. Integral dx by secant x plus cosecant x plus tan x plus cot x whole square. Okay, now integral dx by secant x. We have 1 by cos x, cosecant x. It will be 1 by sin x, tan sin by cos x, cot x is cos by sin whole square. Okay, so integral dx by, so let us do LCM cos x into sin x. So cos x into sin x, so after LCM it will be sin x plus cos x plus sin square x plus cos square x. Okay, whole square, denominator cos x sin x whole square. It will going to be integral cos x sin x whole square into dx, cos square x into sin square x dx by sin square x plus cos square. It will be 1 plus sin x plus cos x whole square. Okay, we have got this value. So let us do simplify 1 plus sin x plus cos x whole square. We have a plus b plus c whole square formula. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay, it will going to be 1 plus sin x plus cos x whole square is 1 square plus sin square x plus cos square x plus 2ab. 2 into, this is a, b, c. 2 into 1 into sin x, 2 sin x plus 2bc. 2 sin x cos x plus 2ca. 2 cos x. Okay, it will going to be 1 plus sin square x plus cos square x. It will be 1. 1 plus 2 sin x. 2 sin x cos x plus 2 cos x. Okay, right. So integral cos square x into sin square x into dx upon 1 plus sin x plus cos x whole square. We have got this value 1 plus 1 2 plus 2 sin x plus 2 sin x cos x plus 2 cos x. In this one 2 take out common. 1 plus sin x plus sin x cos x plus cos x. Okay, it will going to be 1 by 2 constant cos square x sin square x dx by, in denominator write first 1 plus sin x. In this one cos x take out common, remaining 1 plus sin x. Okay, in total 1 plus sin x take out common, it will going to be 1 by 2 times of cos square x formula, write 1 minus sin square x. 1 square minus sin square x. Sin square x formula 1 minus cos square x, write 1 square minus cos square x by, in denominator 1 plus sin x take out common. So remaining value write 1 plus cos x. In this 1 square minus sin square x, this is in the form of a square minus b square, a minus b into a plus b. 1 plus sin x get cancelled. So this is 1 minus cos x into 1 plus cos x. In 1 plus cos x get cancelled. Okay, we have got this value. In this 1 plus sin x as well as 1 plus cos x get cancelled. It will going to be 1 by 2 times of 1 minus sin x into 1 minus cos x. So 1 multiplied to 1 multiplied to 1 minus cos x, it will be 1 minus cos x. Minus sin x multiply with 1 minus cos x minus sin x, minus into minus plus sin x cos x. Okay, now 1 by 2 times of, this should apply integration integral 1 dx minus integral cos x dx minus integral sin x dx minus, okay, divide multiplied by 2, 1 plus 1 by 2 times of 2 sin x cos x dx. It will going to be 1 by 2 times of 1 dx value x. Derivative integration get cancelled, minus integral cos x is sin x. Integral sin x is minus cos x. 1 by 2 times of integral 2 sin x cos x, it will be sin 2x. Okay, so 1 by 2 times of x minus sin x minus into minus plus cos x, 1 by 2 times of integral sin 2x. we get minus cos 2x, but derivative of 2x is 2, integration is by 2, divide by 2. So this is answer. 1 by 2 times of x minus sin x plus cos x plus into minus minus 1 by 4 times of cos 2x plus c. Okay, let us go to the next problem. Integral tan pi by 4 minus x dx by cos square x into root under tan cube x plus tan square x plus tan x. Okay. So integral, we have tan a minus b formula. Tan a minus b formula, tan a minus tan pi by 4 minus x. It will going to be tan a tan pi by 4 minus tan x by 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan x. It will going to be 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x, where tan 45 value 1. Okay, right. 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x. 1 by cos square x is nothing but secant square x dx by root under tan cube x plus tan square x plus tan x. Okay, so let us take tan x is equal to t. Now differentiation on both sides, secant square x dx is equal to dt. So integral 1 minus tan x place and right t, secant square x dx value we have got dt by 1 plus t times of root under t cube plus t square plus t. Okay, it will going to be 1 minus t by 1 plus t into the root under t cube plus t square plus t. So divide multiplied by 1 plus t. Okay, we have got this value. So divide multiplied by 1 plus t. It will going to be integral 1 minus t into 1 plus t, 1 minus t square dt by 1 plus t into 1 plus t, 1 plus t whole square. It will going to be a plus b whole square formula, a square plus b square plus 2ab. 1 plus t square plus 2t into root under t cube plus t square plus t. Okay, so integral in this 1 minus t square take out common. It will going to be 1 minus 1 by t square by, in this 1 t take out common, only t, 1 by t, t square by t is nothing but t, okay, plus 2. So root under, in this 1 t square take out common, t square 1 t plus 1 plus 1 by t. Okay, so t, 1 t get cancelled, root t square is nothing but t get cancelled. It will going to be integral 1 minus 1 by t square dt by t plus 1 by t plus t plus 2 into root under, okay, t square get cancelled, root t square is t, 1 t get cancelled. So it will going to be t plus 1 by t. So let us take root under t plus 1 by t is equal to y. Okay, now differentiation on both sides. So differentiation of root function 1 by 2 root function. Okay, different by using chain rule, differentiation of t1, differentiation of 1 0, differentiation of 1 by t. It will be minus 1 by t square dt is equal to dy. Okay, now we have to find root t plus 1 by t from this equation. Squaring on both sides, t plus 1 by t square is equal to y square. Okay, so t plus 1 by t value, it will going to be y square minus 1. Okay, therefore we have got this value. So minus 1 minus 1 by t square dt by root under t plus 1 by t. It will going to be 2 dy. Okay, 2 dy. So 2 dy by t plus 1 by t. So it place in, we should write 2 dy. T plus 1 by t value we have got y square minus 1 plus 2. Okay, minus 2 constant, integral dy by y square plus 1. This is tan inverse y formula. So minus 2 tan inverse of, in the place of y, we should write this value, t plus 1 by t. Okay, minus 2 tan inverse of, in the place of t, we should write tan x plus 1 by tan x is cot x plus c. This is answer. Okay, moving to next question. Integral cos cube x dx by sin to the power 4x plus 3 sin square x plus 1 into tan inverse of sin x plus cosecant x. Okay, so cosecant x can be written as 1 by sin x. So it will going to be cos cube x, right? Cos square x into cos x. This cos square x can be written as 1 minus sin square x by sin to the power 4x plus 3 sin square x plus 1 into tan inverse of sin x plus 1 by sin x. Okay, so let us take sin x is equal to t. Now differentiation on both sides, cos x dx is equal to dt. So integral 1 minus t square into cos x dx value we have got dt by t to the power 4 plus 3t square plus 1 into tan inverse of t plus 1 by t, where sin x place and write t. Okay, in this one t square take out, minus t square take out common, it will going to be 1 minus 1 by t square dt by, in denominator 1 t square take out common, it will going to be t square plus 3 plus 1 by t square into tan inverse of t plus 1 by t. So 1 t square get cancelled. Okay, we have got this value. So let us take t plus 1 by t is equal to y. Okay, now differentiation on both sides. Differentiation on both sides. Differentiation of t1, differentiation of 1 by t is minus 1 by t square. dt is equal differentiation of y dy. Okay, now squaring on both sides, t plus 1 by t equal to y. Now squaring on both sides. So by using a plus b whole square formula, a square plus b square plus 2ab equal to y square. Okay, the 2 to get t to get cancelled, t square plus 1 by t square, we get y square plus 2, bring the right side minus 2. Now it will going to be 1 minus 1 by t square dt. It place in, we should write dy. So dy by t square plus 1 by t square value, we get y square minus 2 into tan inverse y square minus 2 plus 3 into tan inverse of y. So it will going to be minus y square plus 3 minus 2 plus 1, 1 by y square plus 1 dy by tan inverse y. This is in the form of integral f dash x dx by f of x. What is the formula? Log mod f of x. So differentiation of tan inverse y is 1 by y square plus 1. So let us take f of y is tan inverse y. F dash y is 1 by 1 plus y square. What is the formula? Minus log of f of x in this f of y. So minus tan inverse, minus log tan inverse y plus c. So minus of log, in the place of y, t plus 1 by t, right? So where t placed, we should write sin x. So minus log of tan inverse of sin x. So 1 by sin x is cosecant x plus, this is answer. So what is the answer? Minus log modulus of tan inverse sin x plus cosecant x plus c. Okay, moving to next question. Integral sin cube theta by 2 d theta by cos theta by 2 into root under cos cube theta plus cos square theta plus cos theta. Okay. So integral Sin cube theta by 2 can be written as sin square theta by 2 into sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2 into root under cos cube theta plus cos square theta plus cos theta. Okay, divide multiplied by cos theta by 2. 2 cos theta by 2. Okay. So integral sin square theta by 2, we have formula 1 minus cos theta by 2. Sin square theta by 2. So 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2, it will be sin theta d theta by 2 cos square theta. 2 cos square theta by 2, it will be 1 plus cos theta formula. 2 cos square theta into root under cos cube theta plus cos square theta plus cos theta. In this 1 by 2 constant, let us take cos theta is equal to t. Now differentiation on both sides, minus sin theta d theta is equal to dt. So integral 1 by 2 times of 1 minus t sin theta d theta value minus dt by 1 plus t into, so root under t cube, where cos theta place in right t square plus t. Okay, we have got this value. So 1 by 2 times of integral, this minus 1 multiply with 1 minus t, it will be t minus 1 dt by t plus 1 into root under t cube plus t square plus t. Okay, so divide multiplied by 1 t plus 1, t plus 1, it will going to be 1 by 2 times of t minus 1 into t plus 1, t square minus 1 dt by t plus 1 into t plus 1, t plus 1 whole square. So root under in this one t square take out common, it will be t plus 1 by t. Okay, so 1 by 2 times of, in this one t square take out common, 1 minus 1 by t square dt. By using a plus b whole square formula, a square plus b square plus 2ab, t square plus 1 plus 2t, root t square value it will be t, root under t plus 1 by t. Okay, in this one t take out common, it will going to be 1 by 2 times of t square into 1 minus 1 by t square dt. Right, 1 t take out common, it will going to be 1 plus t plus 1 by t plus 2 t times of, write this value, t times of root under t plus 1 by t. In this t square get t square, t into t square get cancelled. Okay, we have got this value. So let us take root under t plus 1 by t is equal to y. Okay, now differentiation on both sides. Differentiation of root function, it will be 1 by 2 root function into, so differentiation of t1, differentiation of 1 constant derivative 0, derivative of 1 by t is minus 1 by t square dt is equal to dy. Okay, so now squaring on both, root under t plus 1 by t equal to y, squaring on both sides, t plus 1 by t is equal to y square. Therefore t plus 1 by t, we get y square minus 1, plus 1 bring right side. So 1 by 2 times of, so it will be 1 minus 1 by t square dt by root value, it will be 2 dy by t plus 1 by t, we have got y square minus 1 plus 2. Okay, so minus 1 plus 2 is plus 1, 2 get cancelled, integral dy by y square plus 1, it will going to be tan inverse y. So tan inverse of y place we should write t root under t plus 1 by t, where t place we should write cos theta. So tan inverse of root under cos theta plus 1 by cos theta is secant theta plus c. Okay, we have got a tan inverse of root under cos theta plus 1 by cos theta is nothing but secant theta plus c. So what is answer? So tan inverse of root under cos theta plus 1 plus secant theta plus c. This is answer. Thank you for watching. Remaining problems I will explain on coming class.